But we are starting open system analysis. We are starting open system analysis. Anyone in the class can tell me what is open system? इससे पहले कि हम open system analysis start करें, let us first understand what is open system. Type in chat box रे बाबा, what is the meaning of open system? ये open system का मतलब क्या है रे बाबा? What is the meaning of open system? What is the meaning of open system? बेटा closed system में क्या होता था? What was there in closed system? In closed system, there is no mass interaction. There is no mass interaction, but energy interactions can take place. Can take place. This is what we learnt. This is what we learned till now in closed system. जब भी हमने closed system की analysis की थी, हम लोगों ने पाया था there is some energy interaction in the form of heat and work. There is some energy interaction in the form of heat and work, but there is no mass interaction. There is no mass transfer across the boundary. There is no mass transfer across the boundary, right? Now what happens in open system? Open system में क्या होता है? What happens in open system? In open system, both mass interaction, and energy interactions can take place. Can take place. Right? Right? So, the biggest difference is, I will be telling you, the biggest difference is, till now I was having only heat interaction, work interaction, but now in open system mass will be crossing the boundary. अभी क्या होगा? Mass भी boundary को cross करेगी. Now even the mass will also cross the boundary along with heat and work interactions. I hope everyone is clear. I hope everyone is clear with the basic difference. I hope each and everyone is clear with the basic difference. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Can you observe? Can you observe? Mass is coming in, mass is going out. Mass is coming in, mass is going out. Of course, there is some heat interaction, there is some heat interaction, there is some work interaction. And let me say this is my open system. Let me say this is my open system. So yes, if this is open system, let me say this is the boundary of, let me say this is the boundary of open system. Can you observe beta? Mass is coming in, mass is going out. Oh my God, 100% there is some mass transfer across the boundary. There is some mass transfer across the boundary. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Now listen carefully, my friends. Sometimes open system is also known as, control volume. इसी ओपन सिस्टम को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम. Why? Because I am focusing on the fluid whatever is available in this volume. इस volume में जो भी fluid है, I am focusing on that. If I am focusing on that, we are calling open system as control volume also. And whenever I'm using the word control volume for open system, boundary will be known as a control surface. So ये जो dotted line है, this dotted line is basically your control surface. I hope each and everyone is clear with the terms. I hope each and everyone is clear with the terms what I'm saying. Till now I have discussed three basic things. First thing, in open system you will be having, means in open system both mass and energy interactions can take place. Point number one. Point number two, open system is also known as a control volume, because we are focusing on the fluid whatever is available in a particular volume. Second thing, third thing, whenever we are using the term control volume for open system, we will be calling boundary as control surface. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? चलो ध्यान से देखो, अब ध्यान से देखो. Can I say this is my control volume? Can I say this is my control volume? Can I say this dotted line is my control surface? Can I say this dotted line is my control surface? 100%. Can I say from here the fluid will be coming in, from here the fluid will be going out? So let me call this as inlet, let me call this as outlet. Correct? Now listen carefully beta. We came to know what is open system. थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग गया. Now listen carefully beta. First, I will be talking about the work interactions involved for open system. In open system, we are having two types of work. Open system में हमारे पास दो टाइप के वर्क होते हैं. Listen carefully, बेटा. In open system, we are having two types of work. One is flow work. Another is control volume work. Now what is this flow work? What is this control volume work? This is exactly what we are going to discuss in today's class. आज की क्लास में हम लोग यही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. What is flow work? What is the control volume work? What is the formula for flow work? What is the formula for control volume work? So are you ready? Ready hai? Yes. Listen carefully my friends. I'm again repeating, the class will be in bilingual, Hindi and English both. You need not to worry. Second point, if you haven't attended thermodynamics till now, no problem. Each and everything I will be discussing from the basics. You will be able to understand each and everything. Third thing, it is the part of K2K, Kalam to Kalam batch. Okay? यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? यहां तक क्लियर है? फटाफट से बताओ. यहां तक क्लियर है? चलो अब ध्यान से देखना. What is the flow work? What is flow work? Now listen carefully my friends. Listen carefully. Can I say this is control volume? बेटा ध्यान से देखना. Can I say this is a control volume? 100% this is control volume. Can I say this dotted line is what? Type in chat box re baba. Type in chat box re baba. What is this dotted line? Anyone in the class can tell me what is this dotted line? I want each and everyone to type in chat box. What is this dotted line re baba? quickly, I want each and everyone to type in chat box. What is this dotted line? This dotted line is a control surface. Now listen carefully, my friends. Can you observe I'm having a fluid element? I'm having a fluid element at the inlet which will be entering the control volume. Can you observe I'm having a fluid element which will be going out of the control volume, क्रॉसिंग द कंट्रोल सरफेस? यहां तक मुझे कंफर्म करो, क्या आपको फ्लूइड एलिमेंट दिखाई दे रहे हैं? आर यू एबल टू सी द फ्लूइड एलिमेंट विच इज रेडी टू एंटर द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग द कंट्रोल सरफेस? देयर इज अ फ्लूइड एलिमेंट विच इज रेडी टू go out of the control volume after crossing the control surface. Now 100% there will be some work involved. 100% there will be some work involved in crossing the fluid element. 100% there will be some work involved in crossing the fluid element, either to enter और टू एग्जिट. देखो बेटा, जब ये फ्लूइड एलिमेंट एंटर कर जाएगा ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, जब ये फ्लूइड एलिमेंट एग्जिट कर जाएगा ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. तो ये जो वर्क इंट्रैक्शन इन्वॉल्व है, द वर्क इन्वॉल्व इन क्रॉसिंग द फ्लूइड एलिमेंट आइदर टू एंटर और टू एग्जिट इज नोन एज फ्लो वर्क. इसी को ही हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फ्लो वर्क बोलते हैं. ये बात क्लियर है? ये बात क्लियर है? Everyone is clear? The work involved in crossing the fluid element either to enter or to leave the control volume is known as flow work. I hope each and everyone is. अरे टाइप करो रे बाबा chat box में. Are you clear till here? Come on everyone, come on everyone. I want each and everyone to type in chat box. Are you clear till here? Excellent, excellent. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया? यस यस, आइडिया लग गया? अरे आइडिया लग गया ना? लुक एट हियर, लुक एट हियर, ध्यान से देखो बेटा. एट द इनलेट, आई एम हैविंग दिस फ्लूइड एलिमेंट. Whatever the work involved in crossing the fluid element, either to enter or to leave, either to enter or to leave the control volume is known as flow work. है ना? अरे look at here ना रे बाबा, look at here ना रे बाबा. Champu is standing here. Champu is standing here at the inlet door. Champu is peeping like this. Okay, I will enter the class. He is not having the courage. He is not having the courage. So what is supposed to be done? The person who is at the back side of the Champu will be forcing him inside ना. वो धक्का लगा, अरे चंपू क्या हो गया रे बाबा, जाना रे बाबा क्लास के अंदर. यस यस, सम वर्क इंट्रैक्शन इज इन्वॉल्व्ड, सम वर्क इंट्रैक्शन. सिमिलरली एट द आउटलेट, चंपू वांट्स टू गो आउट, करेज नहीं मिल रहा है. अरे नेगी सर क्लास कर रहे हैं, बाहर कैसे जाऊं रे बाबा? नेगी सर इज टेकिंग क्लास, हाउ टू गो आउट, ही इज नॉट गेटिंग द करेज. सो समवन फ्रॉम द इनसाइड, चंपू फ्रेंड, अरे जाना रे बाबा चंपू, जाना रे बाबा चंपू, अंदर से धक्का लगाएगा ना. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यहां पे जो फ्लूइड एलिमेंट होगा, वट एवर द फ्लूइड एलिमेंट इज एट द बैक साइड ऑफ दिस फ्लूइड एलिमेंट will be applying the force on this fluid element so that this fluid element will be entering. Similarly here, whatever the fluid element I am having, at the back of this fluid element will be applying the force so that this fluid element will be going out. I hope each and everyone is clear. Why I am saying all these small things? You must be able to observe here this fluid element which is outside is doing the work on this fluid element so that it will enter. Here this fluid element which is within the control volume will be applying the force in this fluid element so that this fluid element will come out, will leave the control volume. यहां तक समझ में आ रही है बात, है ना? I hope you are able to understand. So my friends, here who is doing the flow work? The fluid element which is outside of the control volume. Here who is doing the flow work? The fluid element which is inside of the control volume. Now what is our sign convention? Work done on the system is taken as negative, work done by the system is taken as positive. The meaning is here at the inlet I will be having the work done on the system, whereas here at the outlet I will be having the work done by the system, because this fluid element which is within the control volume is going to do the flow work. Are you getting this? So yahan se kya ek conclusion mil gaya? Are we getting this beautiful conclusion from here? Are we getting this beautiful conclusion from here? At the inlet flow work will be done on the system, on the control volume. So at the inlet flow work will be negative, but at the outlet flow work is done by the system, by the control volume. So 100% here flow work will be positive. Clear hai? Clear hai? Clear hai? Chalo. Now the question is, sir, how to calculate flow work? I will be telling you, beta. Please observe. I will be telling you, don't worry. Look at here. Let me say, this is the fluid element which is trying to cross the boundary, which is trying to cross the control surface. Let me say this is the fluid element, maybe it is at the inlet or outlet, I don't know. Let us suppose there is a fluid element which is trying to cross the boundary. ध्यान से देखना बेटा, ध्यान से देखना, मजा आ जाएगा. Let me say the cross sectional area of this fluid element. Let me say the cross sectional area of this fluid element is dA, and let me say the length of this fluid element is dx. Okay, anyone in the class can tell me what will be the volume of this fluid element? If the cross sectional area is a dA, if the length is a dx, type in chat box, Baba, what will be the volume of this fluid element? Can you tell me, beta? फटाफट से बताओ. What will be the volume of this fluid element? Can I say dA dx? Can I say dA dx? Can I say dA dx? Let us suppose the mass of this fluid element is dm. Then any intelligent student of the class can tell me what will be the specific volume. What will be the specific volume, small v, of this fluid element? Beta, what is a specific volume? What is a specific volume? Volume per unit mass na. So what is the volume? Volume is dV. What is the mass? Mass is dm. बहुत बढ़िया. Now listen carefully, my friends. Try to understand what I am saying. Try to understand what I am saying. Here, आपको ये तो समझ में आ गया ना? You are able to understand ना बेटा? Here you are having the boundary. And what is happening? This fluid element is trying to cross the boundary, to cross the control surface and trying to enter or trying to leave the control volume. Now look at here, why we have to have flow work, ये वर्क का रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों है, why we need to do some work, what is the need of flow work, try to understand. ये flow work का रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों है, why we need some flow work to be done, because 100% there will be some opposing force, so we have to overcome that opposing force or resisting force. अब ध्यान से देखना क्या हो रहा होगा, what will be happening, try to understand. Here already there will be some fluid, here already there will be some fluid or something which will be exerting some pressure force. Let me say here at the boundary pressure is a P. If pressure is P, can you tell me what will be the pressure force, what will be the resisting pressure force which will be applied on this fluid element, which will be resisting the entry of this fluid element? 100% P into dA. So I have to apply the same amount of force in this direction so that fluid element will be crossing the boundary and entering the control volume or leaving the control volume. Now look at here, my friends. Can I say mathematically flow work, capital WF, बेटा ध्यान से सुनना, this F is representing flow, capital W is representing work. So flow work, can I say it will be equal to force vector dot product displacement vector. Can I write WF will be equal to what? Magnitude of force vector F, magnitude of displacement vector dx into cos theta. बेटा ये थीटा कितना होगा यहां पर? Anyone in the class can tell me how much will be theta here? कितना एंगल है? देखो ध्यान से देखना बेटा. We are applying the force in this direction and the displacement is also in this direction. तो कितना एंगल बन रहा है? How much is the angle? How much is the angle? Type in chat box how much is the angle? Can I say 0 degree? So f dx cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree will be how much बेटा? ये cos 0 degree कितना होगा? 1. So can I say the flow work will be f dx, but f is how much? ये f किसके इक्वल है? f is equal to what बेटा? ये f किसके इक्वल है? f is equal to pda. So can I say wf is equal to p into dA into dx. Now any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is this dA dx? Champa, what is this dA dx रे बाबा? ये dA dx किसके इक्वल है? This dA dx is equal to what? dv. dv ना? Now listen carefully. Oh my God, flow work is coming pdv. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, ध्यान से सुनना. So many of you will be having this wrong concept. Sir, this is same as displacement work of closed system. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. The moment I am writing WF is equal to PdV, there will be so many students who will be saying, sir, this flow work is same as displacement work of closed system. No बेटा, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, you are feeling like that, but I will be telling you the major difference. In closed system, this dV was the change in volume. This dV was the change in volume. Change in volume, na? Here it is not change in volume. Here it is the volume of the fluid element which is going to cross the boundary, the control surface, because of this flow work. Are you getting what I'm saying? Are you able to understand the basic difference? Yes, it is a PdV. Mathematically it is coming PdV, but try to understand the difference. In closed system, dV was the change in volume, but here it is not the change in volume. Here it is the volume of the fluid element which is going to cross the boundary, which is going to cross the control surface. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. बहुत बढ़िया, excellent है रे बाबा. Now listen carefully. Try to understand what I'm saying. In open system generally, we will be having the mass coming in, mass going out. Mass coming in, mass going out. We will be dealing with the mass flow rate. So generally we don't deal, in open system, generally we don't deal with the total flow work. We will be dealing with the specific flow work. We will be dealing with the rate of flow work. So my friends, if I ask you, what will be the specific flow work? If I ask you what will be the specific flow work, let me represent by a small wf. But can I say, look at here. Can I say specific flow work? Small wf will be equal to what? Flow work capital Wf divided by mass na, dm. So look at here, my friends, small wf is equal to what? Capital Wf pdv divided by dm. Oh my god, anyone in the class can tell me what is that this dv by dm? ये dv by dm क्या है रे बाबा? What is this dv by dm? Anyone in the class can tell me? फटाफट से टाइप करेंगे रे बाबा चैट बॉक्स में. अरे ये स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम है ना, स्मॉल v. So specific flow work will be what? P into small v. अब बेटा ध्यान से समझना, what is the major difference? Anyone in the class can tell me what will be the unit of flow work? Joule or kilojoule? Anyone in the class can tell me what will be the unit of specific flow work? ये जो specific flow work है, इसका unit क्या होगा बेटा? What will be the unit of specific flow work? Joule per kg or kilojoule per kg. Now try to understand, my friends. Sometimes we will be interested in rate of flow work also. Rate of flow work we will be representing by capital W dot F. This dot is representing rate. ये जो dot है ये rate को represent कर रहा होगा. Now how to find बेटा? How to find? कैसे निकालेंगे? How to find rate of flow work? फटाफट से कंफर्म करो. अरे सिंपल सा ऐसा बोल सकता हूं क्या? ध्यान से देखना. Capital W dot F will be mass flow rate, whatever the mass flow rate of fluid I am having, m dot into specific flow work, small wf, small wf. So can I say rate of flow work will be equal to m dot mass flow rate of the fluid into specific flow work. स्पेसिफिक फ्लो वर्क की वैल्यू डाल दो ना, m डॉट p इंटू v. बेटा यहां तक क्लियर है? चलो मुझे इसकी यूनिट बताओ. व्हाट विल बी द यूनिट ऑफ रेट ऑफ फ्लो वर्क? देखो ध्यान से, मास फ्लो रेट kg पर सेकेंड. देखो दिस विल बी इन kg पर सेकेंड, दिस विल बी इन जूल पर kg. kg will be getting swaha, joule per second will be what? Watt, और चाहे तो आप किलोवाट में भी ले सकते हैं. सो आई होप, देखो बेटा पूरा यूनिट्स का खेल है, पूरा यूनिट्स का खेल है. अगेन आई एम सेइंग, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा? आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. नाउ लेट मी रिपीट द थिंग्स फॉर यू पीपल. Let me repeat the things for you people. What is the flow work? Flow work is the work interaction which is involved with the crossing of the fluid element either to coming in or leaving the control volume is known as flow work. बात समझ में आ रही है? अरे यही तो डेफिनेशन थी. This was the definition ना. The work involved in crossing the fluid element either to enter or leave the control volume is known as flow work. The work interaction involved in what? Crossing the fluid element either to enter or to leave the control volume is known as flow work. This is the fluid element which is going to cross the control surface. Here the opposing force is PDA, so we have to apply the force PDA. This is the length of the fluid element, so the flow work is coming PdV. But generally we don't deal with the flow work. We will be dealing with the specific flow work or rate of flow work. So how to find the specific flow work? Divided by mass. So we are getting P into small v. How to find the rate of flow work? You multiply specific flow work by mass flow rate, m dot pv. Now listen carefully. यहां तक सब कुछ क्लियर है ना? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है. आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. अरे टाइप करो रे बाबा, अरे हार्ट्स के सिंबल बन जाए रे बाबा. कम ऑन, पूरा चैट बॉक्स लाल हो जाए रे बाबा, पूरा चैट बॉक्स लाल हो जाए रे बाबा. कम ऑन एवरीवन, आई वांट ये पूरा का पूरा चैट बॉक्स आपका लाल हो जाना चाहिए. बेटा ये m नहीं है, ये m डॉट है. m डॉट इज द मास फ्लो रेट. m डॉट इज द मास फ्लो रेट. इन 1 second हाउ मच मास इज क्रॉसिंग द बाउंड्री. कम ऑन एवरीवन. Yes, whatever the PdV I am having for the closed system, that is the displacement work, where dV is representing the change in volume. Here this dV is what? dV is the volume of the fluid element which is going to cross the control surface or boundary. ये हुई ना बात, है ना? रेट ऑफ फ्लो वर्क कैसे निकालेंगे? रेट ऑफ फ्लो वर्क कैसे निकालते हैं बेटा? आपको रेट चाहिए तो कैसे निकालते हैं? जो भी मास फ्लो रेट है फ्लूइड का, whatever the mass flow rate I am having for the fluid flow, I will be multiplying mass flow rate of the fluid flow. I will be multiplying with what? Specific flow work. What is the specific flow work? P into small v. I will be multiplying with what? Mass flow rate. अब सुनना ध्यान से बेटा. सुनना ध्यान से. Or you write like this. Specific flow work at inlet. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. I want to see what will be the specific flow work at inlet. I'm again going back to the derivation. See here beta. Let me say the pressure here at the inlet let me say the pressure here at the inlet is Pi, specific volume is Vi, mass flow rate is m dot I. Let me say pressure here at the outlet is a PO, specific volume is a small vo, mass flow rate is m dot O. Now look at here. Anyone in the class can tell me what will be the specific flow work at inlet? Wi. Can I say Wi will be equal to Pi small vi? Pi small vi, positive or negative? Pi small vi, positive or negative? Specific flow work at inlet, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? मैंने बताया था इन स्टार्टिंग, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने आपको बता दिया था, इन स्टार्टिंग ओनली आई हैव टोल्ड यू. फटाफट से बताओ पॉजिटिव होगा कि नेगेटिव? नेगेटिव होगा. यस, बिकॉज द फ्लूइड एलिमेंट विच इज आउटसाइड ऑफ द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम इज पुशिंग द फ्लूइड एलिमेंट इनसाइड, सो इट इज द वर्क डन फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड. हाँ, माइनस है रे बाबा. This flow work will be negative. I hope you are able to understand. I hope you are able to understand. Now, if I ask you, what will be the rate of flow work at inlet? Capital W dot I. What will be the rate of flow work at the inlet? Capital dot I. This will be equal to what? Mass flow rate at the inlet, pressure at the inlet, specific volume at the inlet. Negative or positive? 100% negative. 100% negative. So the flow work at the inlet is going to be negative because it is work done on the control volume. Whatever the fluid element I am having at the outside, that is pushing the fluid element inside the control volume. Now listen carefully. I am asking you another question. What will be the specific flow work at outlet? What will be the specific flow work at outlet? बेटा जल्दी से बताओ, टाइप करो चैट बॉक्स में. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रेस्पॉन्स. व्हाट विल बी द स्पेसिफिक फ्लो वर्क एट आउटलेट? आउटलेट पर स्पेसिफिक फ्लो वर्क क्या होगा? बहुत बढ़िया, छा गए गौरव. यस, प्रेशर एट द आउटलेट इनटू स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम एट द आउटलेट. POVO, नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव? नेगेटिव होगा कि पॉजिटिव होगा? नेगेटिव होगा या पॉजिटिव होगा? नेगेटिव होगा या पॉजिटिव होगा? बिकॉज द फ्लूइड एलिमेंट विच इज इनसाइड द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम, वो धक्का दे रहा है रे बाबा, वो धक्का दे रहा है बाबा. गो 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 रे बाबा, चंपू आउट ऑफ द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम. Yes, this has to be positive because it is the work done by the fluid element which is within the control volume. It has to be positive. It has to, what a beauty! Excellent है रे बाबा, excellent है रे बाबा. Now, what will be the rate of flow work at outlet? Capital W dot O. Can I say mass flow rate at the outlet, pressure at the outlet, specific volume at the outlet? Of course, it has to be positive. फटाफट से कंफर्म कर देंगे रे बाबा. क्या ये सबको समझ में आ गया? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट? फटाफट से कंफर्म कर दो रे बाबा. टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट? फ्लो वर्क का फॉर्मूला समझ में आ गया बेटा? फ्लो वर्क का फॉर्मूला समझ में आ गया? अरे झमाझम क्लियर है रे बाबा। अरे हार्ट के सिंबल हो जाए। इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द फ्लो वर्क, हार्ट के सिंबल हो जाए रे बाबा। कम ऑन एवरीवन, कम ऑन एवरीवन, कम ऑन एवरीवन, मचा देंगे रे बाबा। मैं बता रहा हूं आपका ओपन सिस्टम एनालिसिस का एक एक क्वेश्चन बनने वाला। यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ द ओपन सिस्टम एनालिसिस, वेदर इट इज गेट क्वेश्चन, इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस क्वेश्चन, सिविल सर्विस क्वेश्चन, जो भी क्वेश्चन आएगा फोड़ देंगे रे बाबा। पीके नाग पूरी लगा देंगे ओपन सिस्टम एनालिसिस चैप्टर की। यस 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 यस, ये हुई ना बात। आग लगा दो रे बाबा। यस यस यस। चलो बेटा, अब चलते हैं दूसरे पड़ाव में। फ्लो वर्क समझ में आ गया, अब बात करेंगे कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क की। नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क। ध्यान से देखना बेटा। प्लीज ऑब्जर्व दिस, जरा इसको ध्यान से देखना। व्हाट इज योर ऑब्जर्वेशन बेटा? व्हाट इज योर ऑब्जर्वेशन? देखो, some fluid is coming in, some fluid is going out. Let us suppose, मान लो I am having some shaft and here I am having some stirrer. Are you able to observe one beautiful thing? As the fluid is flowing, it is rotating this stirrer. It is rotating this stirrer. Can you observe? As the fluid is flowing, this stirrer is getting rotated. कुछ stirrer type का मान लो. In simple words, can I say this shaft is getting rotated? In simple words, can I say this shaft is getting rotated? फटाफट से कंफर्म करो। बस बेटा यही है। This is your control volume work. Whatever I have discussed in closed system as a shaft work, that is basically your control volume work in open system. Let us suppose I am having some shaft which is either going inside or coming out of the control volume. If it is rotated by the fluid which is inside, then this is the control volume work done by the system. And if the shaft is getting rotated from the outside, then it is known as a control volume work done on the system. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? ये बात समझ में आ रही है? Let us suppose here the fluid is moving. When the fluid is moving, it is rotating the shaft. Let me say it is rotating the shaft from the inside. Then 100% it is the control volume work done by the system. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? I hope each and everyone is clear with this. ये बेटा ये तो आपको पता है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मीट एट 7:30 PM, है ना, फॉर 8 month प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटेजी। चलो देखो ध्यान से, लुक एट हियर, लुक एट हियर। लेट मी से fluid is entering from here, fluid is leaving from here, and let me say this stirrer is getting rotated by the fluid which is inside the control volume. Then 100% this is the control volume work done by the. So basically what is the control volume work? It is the shaft work. It is the shaft work. It is the shaft work. Whatever I have discussed in closed system as shaft work, that is known as what? Control volume work. है ना, ये मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है। अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, ध्यान से देखना। आई एम आस्किंग यू वन क्वेश्चन, प्लीज आंसर मी। Let us suppose I am having a turbine. Let us suppose I am having a turbine, and let me say this is the control surface, this dotted line is control surface. And of course this is control volume. 100% there is some shaft crossing the boundary, 100% there is some shaft crossing the boundary. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me this control volume work will be positive or negative for the turbine. This control volume work will be positive or negative for this turbine. जल्दी से बताओ बेटा, टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स, टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स. This control volume work will be positive or negative. Control volume work will be positive. Control volume work will be positive. Why positive? Because it is the shaft which is getting rotated by the fluid which is inside the control volume, right? Now, look at here, my friends. Let us suppose I am having some compressor. Let us suppose I am having some compressor. And let me say this is the control surface. Let me assume this is the control surface. This is the control surface. And this is control volume. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me control volume work for this compressor will be positive or negative. पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा? फटाफट से बताएंगे रे बाबा. कैन यू टेल मी दिस कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क फॉर दिस कंप्रेसर विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क फॉर कंप्रेसर विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? क्विकली टेल मी, टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स. अरे हेयर द शाफ्ट विल बी गेटिंग रोटेटेड फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड ना. Here the shaft was getting rotated from the inside. Whatever the fluid I am having inside, that is rotating the shaft. So 100% here control volume work was positive. But here I am rotating the shaft from the outside with the help of some motor. So 100% here the control volume work for the compressor will be negative. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. तो याद रखना बेटा. Please remember. For turbine, control volume work is a positive. For compressor, control volume work is negative. Right? चलो मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं. Can you tell me for pump, पंप के लिए कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा? पंप के लिए टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स. फॉर पंप कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स रे बाबा. फॉर पंप कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? पंप के लिए कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा? फॉर पंप कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव? 100%. देयर इज नो डाउट. 100% नेगेटिव. अच्छा, आपसे एक और क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं. बॉयलर, फॉर बॉयलर व्हाट विल बी द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क? फॉर बॉयलर व्हाट विल बी द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क? फॉर बॉयलर व्हाट विल बी द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क? जल्दी से बताओ रे बाबा. फॉर बॉयलर, अरे देयर इज नो शाफ्ट क्रॉसिंग द बाउंड्री. There is no shaft crossing the control surface in case of boiler. Boiler में कोई shaft cross करती है क्या? नहीं करती. You are supplying the heat and what is happening? Saturated liquid or maybe some compressed liquid or maybe some subcooled liquid will be converting into what? Saturated vapor. So in boiler there is no control volume work. In boiler there is no shaft crossing the boundary. Control volume work is 0. अच्छा ठीक है. Condenser. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me for condenser what will be the control volume work? कंडेंसर के लिए कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क क्या होगा बेटा? फटाफट से बताओ. कंडेंसर के लिए कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क क्या होगा? शून्य. यस, वेरी गुड. फॉर कंडेंसर कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क विल बी शून्य. नोजल, nozzle. What will be the control volume work for nozzle? What will be the control volume work? In nozzle also you don't have any shaft either going inside or coming out. There is no shaft crossing the boundary. So 100% for nozzle also control volume work is 0. Diffuser. Diffuser. Control volume work will be 0. Throttling valve. There is no shaft crossing the boundary. So my friends, you must be able to understand whenever I am going to discuss turbine, compressor or pump, whenever I am going to discuss turbine, compressor and pump, the concept of control volume will be coming into the picture, because we will be having some value of control volume work. But here in case of boiler, condenser, nozzle, diffuser and throttling valve, I will never talk about control volume work, because control volume work will be 0. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Type in chat box. Arre maja 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 maja. What a beauty. Now listen carefully, my friends. The similarity you have seen. What is the similarity between compressor and pump? The similarity you have seen, both are having negative control volume work. That means in both cases we are rotating the shaft from the outside. We are rotating the shaft from the outside. Of course, I am talking about the rotary devices. Can you tell me the difference? What is the difference between compressor and pump? कंप्रेसर एंड पंप के बीच में सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंप्रेसर एंड पंप? एनी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास कैन टेल मी. फटाफट से बोलो रे बाबा. यस सुमेर. whatever the shaft work we are having in closed system, that is basically the control volume work in open system. shaft होना जरूरी है. अगर आपके पास shaft होगा तभी कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क पिक्चर में आएगा. इफ द शाफ्ट इज गेटिंग रोटेटेड बाय द फ्लूइड विच इज इनसाइड द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम, यू विल बी टेकिंग द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क एज पॉजिटिव. इफ यू आर रोटेटिंग द शाफ्ट फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम मोटर एंड ऑल, देन यू विल बी टेकिंग द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क एज नेगेटिव. आई टोल्ड यू इन केस ऑफ टर्बाइन कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क विल बी पॉजिटिव, बट इन केस ऑफ कंप्रेसर एंड पंप द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क विल बी नेगेटिव. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंप्रेसर एंड पंप? वो पता चलेगा आपको कल पूरा डिटेल में. Very important open system compressor, very important open system pump. What is the difference between these two? We will be discussing tomorrow. For the time being, let me give you some idea. Compressor will be dealing with gas, whereas a pump will be dealing with liquid. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. है ना? यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? चलो. Now the question is what is the formula for control volume work? कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क को निकालेंगे कैसे? तो ध्यान से देखना बेटा. स्पेसिफिक control volume work small WCV is given as, ध्यान से देखना बेटा फार्मूला, स्मॉल WCV is equal to minus integration VDP. Now listen carefully, I am writing again, look at here, small WCV is equal to minus integration VDP. Now try to understand few things. What is this small v here? What is this small v here? Where small v is specific volume. Now you will be asking me, sir, what are the conditions? What are the conditions for applying this formula? So I will be telling you, you can apply this formula when the flow is internally reversible, steady flow, and the changes in kinetic energy and changes in potential energy are negligible. Now listen carefully बेटा, we are going to derive this, हम लोग इसको derive करने वाले हैं, but not now. This we will be deriving in entropy chapter. एंट्रोपी चैप्टर में हम लोग इस एक्सप्रेशन को डेराइव करते हैं. क्या है? WCV इज इक्वल टू माइनस इंटीग्रेशन VdP. फॉर द टाइम बीइंग डोंट फोकस टू मच ऑन दिस नेगेटिव साइन. Why this negative sign is coming? What is the physical meaning of this? I will be telling you. Tomorrow you will come to know. In the next class you will come to know. But think like this. When we are deriving, it is coming something like this. WCV is equal to minus integration PdV. I will be giving you just a small hint. It is coming to take care the assumptions which we have taken. The work done by the system is positive. Work done on the system is नेगेटिव. सो इस अजम्पशन को वैलिड रखने के लिए ये नेगेटिव साइन आया है. वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग वर्क डन ऑन द सिस्टम, this negative will makes your WCV is coming negative, small WCV is coming negative, and whenever we are having control volume work done by the system, this negative sign will makes your we are getting positive. यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? I hope each and everyone is clear. In which chapter we are going to derive this? ये derivation कौन सा चैप्टर में आएगा? We will derive this expression in entropy chapter. ओके ओके, क्लियर है यहां तक? अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा. आर यू एबल टू रिकलेक्ट व्हाट वाज डिस्प्लेसमेंट वर्क ऑफ क्लोज सिस्टम ऑन पीवी डायग्राम? व्हाट वाज डिस्प्लेसमेंट वर्क ऑफ closed system on PV diagram? Area on PV diagram, area under the curve projected on volume axis will be giving you the displacement work of closed system. Of course, magnitude of displacement work for closed system. Now let us see. ये ज्ञान गंगा तो आपको पता है. Let us see control volume work on PV diagram. बेटा ध्यान से देखना. Please observe carefully. चलो, let me say on this vertical axis I am keeping pressure. On this horizontal axis I am keeping a specific volume. And let me say I am having some curve like this. I don't know whether I क्या हो रहा है मुझे नहीं पता, but let us suppose I am having some curve like this for open system. But are you able to understand area under the curve? Projected on which axis? Area under the curve projected on which axis? Projected on pressure axis. विल बी गिविंग मी व्हाट, ये एरिया क्या देगा ऑन पी स्मॉल वी डायग्राम, ऑन पी स्मॉल वी डायग्राम, area under the curve projected on this pressure axis. This area will be giving me what? This area will be giving me the magnitude of, because area तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है, magnitude of specific कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क। आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? कंफर्म करो बेटा, यहां तक क्लियर है, यहां तक क्लियर है, फटाफट से कंफर्म कीजिए। फटाफट से कंफर्म कीजिए, यहां तक क्लियर है, यहां तक क्लियर है। अरे देखो ना, अरे स्मॉल डब्ल्यू सी वी वो इज व्हाट, माइनस इंटीग्रेशन वी स्मॉल वी डीपी ना। सो आई एम हैविंग डीपी, दैट मीन्स प्रोजेक्टेड ऑन व्हाट, प्रेशर एक्सिस। यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? फटाफट से कंफर्म करो, यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया? कंफर्म कीजिए बेटा, किसी कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो। If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. Why on pressure axis बताया तो बेटा, because here we are having dp ना। अरे you must have seen integration x dy. Whenever you are having integration x dy, what is the meaning of that? Area under the curve projected on y axis. Whenever you are having integration y dx, what is the meaning of that? Area under the curve projected on x axis. Sathu, I told you clearly, we are not going to discuss with the total work. Here in open system, continuously the fluid will be coming in, fluid will be going out. So we are always interested in specific or rate. Specific और rate. मेरे पास ये specific वाला फार्मूला पता है, rate के लिए क्या करेंगे, मास फ्लो रेट से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। Look at here. If I want to find rate of control volume work, capital W dot CV, this will be what? माइनस m डॉट इंटीग्रेशन VDP। ठीक है बेटा, वी आर ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टेड इन आइदर स्पेसिफिक और रेट। कंफर्म करो बेटा, किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो। सर व्हाट इफ वी प्रोजेक्ट इट ऑन वॉल्यूम एक्सिस? बेटा अगर आप वॉल्यूम एक्सिस पे प्रोजेक्ट करोगे तो फिर वो आपको कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क नहीं देगा, बिकॉज माइनस इंटीग्रेशन स्मॉल वी डीपी, डी के साथ जो होता है ना, उसके उस पर जब आप प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं तब आपको उस एरिया को बोलते हैं कि ये क्या है, वर्क है ना। तो माइनस इंटीग्रेशन VDP, सो हेयर इन द फार्मूला यू आर हैविंग DP, सो एरिया अंडर द कर्व प्रोजेक्टेड ऑन प्रेशर एक्सिस विल बी गिविंग यू द स्पेसिफिक कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम वर्क। Anyone having any other doubt? Anyone having any other doubt? Anyone having any other doubt? Displacement work is PdV. Yes, for closed system, displacement work is PdV. There on PV diagram, area under the curve projected on volume axis will be giving the displacement work. Okay, ठीक है बेटा. Then if it is clear to you people,